Maui fire survivors are confronting huge mental health hurdles, many while still living in shelters. Fire survivors with mental health issues? What's going on here? This sounds familiar. In the wake of a wildfire, changes in cognition and brain function linger. Brain malfunction? Sounds kind of familiar. Havana Syndrome. Symptoms in small groups, most likely caused by directed energy, says U.S. Intel panel of experts. Injuries suffered by several dozen diplomats and spies were consistent with direct energy. The panel said about 1,000 people have reported symptoms. I think this happened in China too, as I recall, not just Havana. Ambassadors in China suffered from Havana syndrome also and had to be brought home. Somebody is using microwave technology to scan human beings. But in this case, it sounds like they're targeting Americans in America? Who would possibly do that? Maybe the globalists? Chinese? The Cubans? Sounds like something the globalists might do. Maybe because there's a lot of property involved in Maui and in California. Exclusive. Declassified report suggests Havana syndrome could result from an energy weapon. Oh, gee. Central Intelligence Agency. After the Maui blaze, coping with fire brain. They're calling it fire brain, which is equal to fried brain, because somebody, it sounds like, used a weapon on the people in Maui. Maybe that's what caused that incredible fire, a very controlled fire.